Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can add Red Hat installation CD in the repository list of RHEL 6.5 operating system. After that, we can install the additional softwares from the installation CD. The configuration files for the repositories are stored in the location root etc yum.repos.d. Here, we can see that one repository file is already there, but all the repos in this configuration file are disabled. Open the terminal. And type yum replist. We can see that no repositories are available in the system. Then open the CD and copy the media.repo file to desktop. Open the file and add 2 lines, base URL and enable. Base URL is to indicate the location of CD as mounted in the system. For the mount location, open the CD and open terminal, type pwd, then copy the location. The configuration file will not accept white spaces, so insert backslashes for each white space. Then type enabled = 1 to enable the repository. Open the terminal and copy the file to root etc yum.repos.d. For this root permission is required, so log in as root user. Then type cpmedia.repo root etc yum.repos.d. Type yum update in terminal. We can see that our repository is added. We can check that with yum replist command. Now we can install the software from the CD using yum command.